What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Enacfire F1 totally wireless earbuds with noise cancellation. I picked up on Amazon for $59, down from $129. They get 5 out of 5 stars out of 1,300 customer reviews. I'm a little bit excited to test these out. Typically, wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation retail for around $250. The AirPods Pro are an example of that. The Sony WF-1000XM3 are another pair of wireless earbuds. They retail for $230. Other than those two earbuds on the market, there really are no other earbuds out there with wireless and noise cancellation. I ordered them last night, got them next day delivery. Like I said, 59 bucks down from $129. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing and first impressions and just see how capable these earbuds are for $59. So what's actually really interesting about this box is that there's actually nothing to be said about active noise cancellation. They are IPX8 water resistant. They have 2600 milliamp hour battery. According to the specifications and according to some of the marketing and advertising on Amazon's website for these earbuds, they do have the longest battery life out of any noise cancellation earbud on the market today. Not quite sure if that is true or not. The AirPods Pro have about a 24-hour battery life. They do not talk about milliamp hourage, but I am assuming it is less than 2600 milliamp hours. These are comfortably fitting in everyone's ears according to this box. I don't know if that means they'll come with added ear tips or not, but yeah, these look actually pretty premium. The box is premium. If we actually look at the top here, it says up to 6 hours talk time, up to 8 hours music time, and up to 33 feet wireless range. Yeah, let's go ahead and check out what we get with these wireless earbuds here for $59, down from $129. We will be testing these out today, so stay tuned for that. Don't watch just the unboxing and the first impressions. You know, watch the entire video. So actually, this comes just right off. These sort of remind me of the JBL Free 10. So far, these feel pretty premium. I'm gonna go ahead and lay them down on the kitchen counter here for you guys. And we're gonna go ahead and pull out the charging case there. And if we actually remove this top piece, we get a micro USB charging cable, and we get added ear tips, which is really nice. And in addition to that, we get a guarantee card which says 3 months replacement or full refund, 12 months worry-free warranty. So that is really nice. Like I said, these were originally $129, so I think we're actually getting $129 worth of headphone here, of earbud. Really nice user manual. It's a little booklet, as you can see, with all of the information that you need to operate these earbuds. Earbuds are getting more and more complicated as they get more sophisticated. So really, it's beneficial to have the user manual, and it probably will be something that you'll want to consult because there are all types of different features to access with a pair of earbuds as advanced as, say, these. Now, I haven't seen these before, which is why I'm a little bit curious about them. They do say that they have active noise cancellation. We've gone over that. But what's actually really interesting is, like I said before, you know, the box said nothing about active noise cancellation. So I'll start off by putting the headphones in the charge case because they came without they came without being in the charge case. So what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna charge them up for a few minutes, and then we're gonna wanna connect them to our iPhone. So like I said, these were $129, and like I said earlier, again, I think we're getting all $129 worth here. I mean, these should honestly compare to the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Oh, another feature that I wanted to mention about these earbuds, specifically this wireless charging case, is the fact that it actually comes with a USB. If you have an older charge cable, say for your iPhone or for your Android, so if you're not using USB Type-C, you can plug in USB 3.0 and actually charge your device. Really cool. So there's the charging port on the back. Like I said, this does have 2600 milliamp hours, so yes, you will be able to charge up other devices with this, but for the most part, I think you're going to want to use that 2600 milliamp hours for the headphones themselves. So it simply just, you know, snaps into place magnetically, and it's actually a really nice form factor. It's different from anything that I've seen on the marketplace all of last year and the beginning of this year. So this is really exciting. Let's go ahead and bring in the handy dandy iPhone here and see if we can't get these connected and test them out, because I am super excited to hear what these sound like. So if we actually take them out and put them in our ear, they should fit pretty well, and so far they fit well in my ear. They're pretty comfortable. They have been charging up for a few minutes. A few minutes is like an hour of listening time across the industry. So here we are. Enacfire F1 comes up on the bottom there, so we'll go ahead and we'll connect them. And as we can see, they are connected. If we just go ahead and click info, we can either disconnect or forget this device. These are the Enacfire F1. As I speak, noise cancellation is not turned on, nor is there any type of ambient pass-through feature that I'm able to tell. My voice does not sound amplified through the earbuds. It sounds like I'm just talking regularly. So let's go ahead and consult the user manual here real quick before we do our sound test. Just because I want to talk about exactly how to, again, what's actually really interesting is I haven't seen anything on how to turn on the active noise cancellation. Of the Amazon post, it said that these do come with active noise cancellation or noise cancellation 8.0, but I haven't been able to see noise cancellation. So maybe these are some fancy pair of headphones where when you start listening to music, the active noise cancellation turns on. I don't know. Let's go ahead and test them out, and I'll be right back with my verdict. They are $59. They are obviously a $59 earbud. For 129 bucks, they're not 129 bucks anymore, but they were 129 bucks. And I think at that price point, you're better off going with something else like the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Nonetheless, they sound good. They don't sound terrible, but they don't sound the best. They don't sound as good as the AirPods Pro. They don't sound as good as the Samsung Galaxy Buds. And last but not least, and most importantly, these do not have active noise cancellation or any type of ambient pass-through feature. And what's really interesting is if you actually scroll down to some of the questions that some customers had about these earbuds, one customer said, do these have noise cancellation? And the answer to that was yes. I will throw that up on the screen for you. I'm going to go ahead and say that these do not have active noise cancellation. So too good to be true. I picked these up on Amazon, which makes them a convenience good. They were $59 down from $129. Maybe in 2018, these were $129 pair of earbuds, but not in 2020. These are definitely a premium pair of earbuds in 2018. So you are getting a deal on them. Technically, you're getting a deal, but you're not getting the latest and greatest. They don't have active noise cancellation, and it says so in the description of the product itself on Amazon. So for that reason, I cannot recommend these. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of the Enacfire F1 I picked up on Amazon for $59, down from $129. I hope you enjoyed this video, this unboxing and first impressions. My name is John. Be careful out there with what you're buying. Amazon can be a little bit deceitful sometimes. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.